Hi guys, welcome to Destination North. I'm here with Jayne from Jayne's Cottages, and we are in north of Toronto in Muskoka at a luxury cottage, and it's called Renew. So come on inside, and we're going to explain to you why. So it's really amazing that I'm standing here right now because I came across Jayne's website just out of fluke because I was looking for a rental cottage and I came across her spectacular cottages and I was like, oh my God, this is like another world. Am I still in Ontario? But guys, let me tell you something. This lady standing right here has done something spectacular, and that is combining all of these luxury properties into Jayne's Cottages. And you pretty much come to her for everything. She has all of the services. She deals with the end users. She deals with the homeowners. So let's talk to Jayne and see her experience on what she's been doing for the past few years with Jayne's Cottages.
Jayne's Cottages has been in business for coming on our 7th year. We've got about 250 luxury properties. We are located in Muskoka as we are here, but we've got other properties in Collingwood, the Haliburtons, Prince Edward County, Toronto. I really make it like a hotel stay. You get a property like this, but you've got our white linen service, you've got fresh flowers, you can order a private chef, you can order a water trampoline. So basically, we're sort of like a Four Seasons decentralized across 250 properties.
This space is absolutely spectacular. I'm looking around and it's just so cozy. I mean, coming up to Muskoka is not just a summer thing. I know ideally people think, oh, summertime, go in the lake, go swimming, barbecue. But there's so much to do here in the winter time.
I know. This property is located on 18 acres of land. There are apple orchards out front, meadows, and there's actually a trail in the forest. So that's on the driveway side. On the lake side, we're on Robinson Lake. It's connected to 4 lakes, Fairy Lake and Peninsula Lake and Lake Vernon, and you can boat right into the town of Huntsville. They actually took this log cabin and took it from Lake Vernon, which is just a couple kilometers down the waterway here. And they brought it here. They made the windows very, very large. And you hardly ever see a log cabin like this that looks so light.
It's so airy.
So airy.
You feel like you're outside. They've created like an indoor-outdoor type of feel. And you really I feel like I'm in the snow, but I'm warm. So I know a lot of the finishes were brought in from abroad. One of the main features I really like about this house is the fireplace that we're sitting beside right now. Super warm, super modern in this setting, right? And that's, I think, the look that they were going for. They were trying to modernize that older traditional timber look. Exactly. And the surround is an architectural compact cement cladding brought in from Switzerland. Right? So they went like really over and beyond. I'm so excited to see the rest of the house. Let's go walk around and we'll talk about some of the features. One of the features that really highlight this lodge slash cottage is this staircase, because you come in from the front and there's absolutely nothing obstructing your view of
the
snow, lake. It's just absolutely stunning. So they did the glass surround.
And the glass rails outside.
And it's really nice to see the timber finish with the modernized look. You don't see that often, right? Usually when you see this finish, people get scared, like, ooh, I don't like it. But it just flows so nicely in here. I think their vision really came to life. And they did like a Scandinavian aesthetics. Everything is just very simple, low profile, nothing overly big or bulky.
You see this sort of light up here, and
yes,
there's that sort of strip lighting that just sort of adds a
highlight,
little bit more of a.
That's stunning at nighttime.
Yeah,
and then they kept the original timber staircase, really beautiful. So this is where all the magic happens. I'm almost afraid to touch anything because everything is so shiny and pristine, right? So this kitchen is fully equipped with everything. I really don't see anything missing.
So when we bring on new properties, we audit them. We make sure that their kitchenware is of sufficient quality and quantity. As you can see here, this stuff looks great. It especially shows well as part of the decor, but it also is of great quality.
They haven't missed any really detail in this cottage.
I know, and because it's so open, guests can flow anywhere. You can have hors d'oeuvres.
Yeah, I can see that. Have some drinks, hors d'oeuvres.
It's
Kids
just
sitting around having breakfast. Here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go. I really feel like I'm outside. I don't think I've ever been in a room that is so bright and airy and just so...
We've got some skylights here, and just with these huge windows,
so great.
Brings the outside in.
And it's private. That's the best part because
you don't see anything. This is actually the end of the lake.
Oh, is it the end of the lake over here? Oh, okay. So this is the corner. Cathedral ceilings we have, and I've noticed that they've done the lights in all of the beams. Like the pot lights are in the beams, the light fixtures are connected to the beams. Light and airy furniture, again, Scandinav look, nothing too bulky, nothing too big, which really sets the mood. Love the dining room. Love the dining room. So what do you have? You have 10 seats here. So how many people can stay here?
They have 5 bedrooms here.
Oh.
And so we max it out at 10, but we really don't rent to 10 people. We really rent to families. And so chances are there would be maybe a family of 6 and grandparents, or kids want to bring a friend or something. But some people like to have their own bedroom and that type of
thing. So I've seen this a lot driving up to Muskoka.
Yeah.
Can you please explain to our viewers what this symbolizes?
Sure. This is an inukshuk, and it was customized to be created in this property. A lot of properties in Muskoka have them, and you'll see them on the highways up on all of the Muskoka rock. They symbolize safety, hope, and friendship. The owners put this in here because they want all their guests to feel welcome.
So the space that we're standing in right now, we're in the basement, but it's not really a basement. It's actually like 10-foot high ceilings. They have a full-out yoga area here that you can do right beside the window with the beautiful view of the lake. And one of the special things about this basement is that it's walkout. And I absolutely love this because the lake is right there. You have a fire pit right in front of you. So everything is just so easily accessible. So Jayne, one of the things that we typically see in theater rooms is a white wall, right? Where the projector goes on. Why is this one different?
It's been painted silver, and that is what they do in motion pictures and stuff like that.
Okay.
And that's how you get the name Silver Screen. We've got our video games here for kids.
Yes.
We've also got board games over there, which I really encourage a lot of our owners to get board games because Cottages, my main market is families, and we want to bring families together.
So Jayne, this room is, I know it's a bedroom in the basement and it's just an extra bedroom, but oh my God, the size of this is huge. It feels like a big oversized master bedroom. You have a king size bed, nightstands, dresser, full out TV. You have a bench down here and everything is just so perfectly done. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh yes, this is good.
It's still sort of maintaining that minimalistic.
Right.
And bringing the outside in.
Oh, I love it.
And it's just I love this bedroom. It's perfect for my guests because it actually does look exactly like a hotel room.
Do you provide all of the duvets and stuff?
Yeah.
You do? Okay, so you and I need to talk because I need to know where you get.
I have my own.
Thank you. Get the insider secrets into pillows and the duvet covers, right? Because nobody beats the hotel.
Exactly. All these drawers are empty. These drawers are empty. So it is just like sort of take over the space and it's yours.
Yeah, it's wonderful. And the view.
The view.
So every time we go to a cottage, I'm the person that walks around the bedrooms first, trying to find the one with the perfect view.
Yeah.
This house every single room has a perfect
Has a
view.
nice view.
Even the basement. Oh my God, I don't know. I would probably take this room. Another oversized bedroom.
Yeah. They're
It's
beautiful.
amazing. King size bed, nightstands. And how often do you see a sitting area in a master bedroom? TV, personal TV in the master bedroom. Everybody loves a TV in the master bedroom. So you can watch shows like ours. So I know we're supposed to be like serious right now, but I really want to jump on that.
So cute.
It's so precious. This room is absolutely perfect. Love the bedding. Look at all these details.
I know. So cute.
It's so
Yeah.
perfect.
So child friendly.
Like even adult friendly, I would say, because like I'm really dying to take my shoes off and just go and lie down on the comfortable hotel beds.
Yeah.
This is amazing. Indoor, outdoor to the fullest.
Yeah.
Wow.
I know. Beautiful
Fireplace.
outdoor fireplace. The Muskoka room is like, so many of our guests are asking if a property has a Muskoka room.
Okay.
The reason people really love Muskoka rooms is it's an inside-outside room, but there's screens that come down
Oh.
in case there's mosquitoes or bugs.
Can we
or
try it?
Whatever. Yeah.
Let's give it a try.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh. So this is ideal for the summertime, keeps the mosquitoes out.
Yeah. So it keeps the bugs out, and it also, you're allowed, another thing about Muskoka rooms is the lake breeze. So you're feeling the breeze outside, but you're contained in a room that is,
Bug free.
bug free.
Guys, check out this view. Like, I mean, this is amazing. Amazing. I don't want to leave this room. And this was the floor you were talking about?
This is the Ipe floor from
Uh-huh.
Brazil. That is the very dense type floor that lasts for 100 years. A lot of times you'll see dogs that need to be replaced about every 5 years, and you don't, and it just feels so much more dense.
And it looks
And
so
it's
great.
beautiful.
So they have like a 12-seater out here, which is great for barbecue.
Yeah.
And I saw they have a barbecue that's
Yeah.
hiding under the snow.
Right?
Summertime. You can make great use out of it in the summer. Nice sectional here. Surprise, guys! We are on the lake, and the homeowners have made an ice rink for the guests. I'm not wearing my skates, but we can illustrate. This is amazing. They have nightlight here.
Yeah.
You can do nighttime skating here, and I think it would be a lot of fun
Yeah.
under the stars.
A lit path up to the cottage.
Today has been an out of this world experience. I've never done this before. I want to thank you for allowing us to come to one of your many beautiful properties. It is a pleasure going through with you.
Yeah.
I hope our viewers enjoyed touring this luxury cottage with us. Guys, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel because we want to show you more properties like this. I want you guys to go on Jayne's website,
Yeah. Jayne's Luxury Rentals or Jayne's Cottages Instagram.
Jayne's Cottages Instagram. Check out their stuff. They constantly have new stuff coming out. You want to check out all of them, see kind of the properties that she has out there. And Jayne, I want to do this again. So hopefully our viewers are going to love this video and we're going to see more of your properties. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us here. Bye guys.